It looks somewhat nice, and then you see the roof, and it's like, yeah, it's not very nice right there. 2 years ago, one stormy night, a big 3-foot thick oak tree hit this. Saved the bunkhouse, but no, it's not this. It's kind of done. We took the panel off to see what the damages are, and it's kind of, ear rust is bad. I don't know if I should salvage this, but I kind of want to. You know, got all that in there. Got the crack. Got your old Kennedy motor sign. Windshield. Big. There's a dip here. No, I don't know if you see that right there. Got the mirrors. Yeah, twisted. The roof. So, I mean, overall, this door is not terrible-ish. Of course, it's camper special. It's got the door, you know. The typical rust, you know. 40-inch wheelbase and everything. Got the cab, possibly. The trim line is where it bent right here. I just pushed the roof out, thinking that'd work, but then I don't know if you noticed, but the door is shut. You got, it's not right there, and it's shut up here, meaning this you have to move back sometime. You know, but if the tree hadn't hit it, all you'd have to do is fix that. You know, you got fairly nice interior. Besides carpet, you have this, which is all interesting. You know, back window just flew out. It's got the 4-speed manual, which is awesome. That's what your roof looks like. Again, I did try pushing it out, but it was not going so far. You know, that's your 4-speed manual. Radio works, original. The blower motor works. All the fan, all them goodies work. One headlight works. Floor is wrinkled. Corner there, it's bad. I think you can see data there. And again, there is no floor under this. It's just carpet. You know, original seat. Glove box full of other goodies. The owner's manual, which I packaged up. Not so neat to receive it. Hopefully. Let's put it back in there for now. So yeah, that's what it looks like. You have behind the seat, you know, minimal stuff. The seat's salvageable. You got crack there. And yeah, I'm gonna see if I can fix this thing. Either salvage the cab or, yeah, don't shut right. Either salvage the cab or that thing on here. 79 F-150 with the clutch assembly pre-installed factory. And I got the door. My goal with this truck here is drive it all the way to Alaska, like no one's done before. How to fix that somehow, or this. You know, the rest there is not bad. You're just, yeah. But yeah, I mean, here's a new tailgate. I have money for that. All body panels. Sucks. It's expensive, like a lot. So yeah, I'll have to fix this somehow. I'm going to try to attempt to take the bed off today, but I don't know if I'll get any footage of that due to battery and SD card and crap like that. But underneath, this thing's got a, yeah, so it still opens. You know, a 390 still runs, or somewhat runs. Sent some stuff, and as you can see, the cab is not really, you know, doing so well. You got, yeah, and then I don't know if you notice it. Well, that light turns on. Young bumpers. relatively straight after the tree smucked it. You know, all these goodies. Battery, of course, the damages, which is bad. I'm not worried too terribly. I'm not too terribly worried about the rust. Cab wasn't tweaked. We're out fixing the rockers. If it gets untweaked, then I'll fix it. If not, I'll just use the other cab. So yeah, we got all goodies, and just got a little motorcraft on her. So it's gonna be quite the project. It's firewall that's got effed. It's just, yeah. I'll show you. See this? This is supposed to be up here. It's right here. You know, a windshield from what it looks like underneath. It's bad. Yeah, that. It's really bad. But Grandpa bought this new, and I'm gonna keep it in the family and try to save it. Even if I gotta use that thing, which got a back window. And then you got more of the classic rust. You know, door opens. Okay, well, it's supposed to open, but fixed it. You got more rust. I guess you gotta order one of those in. But yeah, this thing's salvageable. It's gonna be about 5,800 and something. That's with suspension parts, but and that's not including bed floor because it has it has issues there. Also need to fix the tweak because do this. It's leaning. No, you got this. There's supposed to be something here, bar, a pipe of some sort, and right there. The rest of the floor. Anyways, the rest of the floor is pretty good. Minus a few things. You know, minimal rust. Shaken mostly well cared for most of its life until now, but yeah. If the tree hadn't hit her, I would use it as a college truck, and this thing would be sweet. But got hit, so I'm gonna try to do something here. You know. And then yeah, the Alaska project. I'm seriously gonna do that and try to film it. So yeah.